Hello car lovers, and welcome to another video from MCK Auto. We'll be showing you how to install the eyebrows on a Golf 7 that we sell. We recently had a new revised version with two sticky strips, basically because you were listening to your comments saying that they're not applying properly. So we got a new version with two strips on the top and bottom side of the eyebrows. So as you can see, you can put them on very nicely on the car, make it look nice. So first of all, you need to clean the headlamp. First of all, you need to wash it with some liquid to wash the dishes, basically. That will degrease it, that will make it nice and clean. Then you need to wash it with the window cleaner, glass cleaner, that is with vinegar added, anything with vinegar, and make sure that the lamp is fully dry. Do it properly, do it, take your time to dry it and make sure that everything is clean and dry, and then proceed with the eyebrow. As you can see, with the double strip, the new version, you can basically peel one and the other a little bit and apply just one side, just one bit of it, and then start peeling more and more and applying from one side to the other, basically to make it stick nicely. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and hope it was quite easy and straightforward. Just remember to make it clean and dry before you apply them, and everything is gonna be fine. They're gonna look sick, as in the examples here now from our customers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.